So you've got a car insurance policy, but who all needs to be listed on that policy? My name is Matthew Carroll, and in today's video, we're going to discuss just that. Who needs to be listed on your car insurance policy? Well, in a nutshell, anyone that regularly drives your vehicle. So whether it's a roommate or a sibling or a parent or a child, if they've got access to your vehicle, they need to be listed on your car insurance policy. Really, the way insurance companies ask the question on any and all applications that I've ever seen, at the end of the application or somewhere in it, they say, are all household members that are licensed or of licensed driving age listed on this application? And we need to honestly be able to answer yes. So if you're going through and you're giving yourself a quote online, or if you're talking to an insurance agent such as myself or Yasser here in our office, we're going to ask, is there anyone else that we need to add on the policy? Often people say, no, not at all. So we dig a little deeper and we say, does anyone else drive the vehicle? Is there anyone else living in your household? Are you lending your vehicle to anyone on any type of regular basis? And if you can kind of check those boxes off as no, 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 then you're pretty well in the clear. Now, insurance companies, they do want to know who all is living in the home. Obviously, in a prior vehicle, we had talked about what happens if someone borrows your vehicle and they get in an accident. So you can check that video out if you haven't seen that yet. But as we had said in that, if someone borrows your vehicle and gets in an accident, your insurance company is on the hook. So they want to know who all is in the household and what that relationship is. Obviously, if you live with a brother, he is likely to borrow that vehicle at some point in time. I mean, if we're being honest, it's likely to happen. So they at least want to know who they are, what the relationship is, and if they do ever drive your vehicle. Now, obviously, you want to discuss this with your insurance agent and be honest. As insurance agents, we have a way of knowing if someone is lying or being dishonest to us, because we've talked to hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of people over the years, and these things kind of just stand out to us. So be honest. We're going to see it anyways when we run our household member reports that can pull information of potential household members. So again, be honest with your insurance agent. We are on your side, and we do want to help you get the very best rate. But in review and in conclusion, anyone that regularly borrows your vehicle, and by regularly, really, if someone borrows your vehicle more than a handful of times a year, it's a good idea to talk with your agent about adding them, or it's a good idea to go on and add them as a driver. Anyone that lives in your household and is of driving age should be listed on your policy. Now, there is an exception to that. If they have their own vehicle and they've got their own auto insurance, often you can tell your insurance company about that and they'll leave them off. They'll say, hey, that's okay. Now, they will want to see proof that they have their own vehicle and insurance, but it should be pretty easy for you to get that information.